Another day, another English lesson, on sale versus for sale. What's the difference?
Hello everyone. When you go shopping or want to buy things, you'll see these two phrases, on sale and for sale. They look similar, but they mean different things. 1. For sale. You can buy it. You don't see this in a store. Normal people use this when they sell things. It means the item is available to buy. The price is normal, not special. Example: this car is for sale. It's mine, but you can buy if you want. Many times you see a for sale sign on a car, truck, or other item at someone's home. 2. On sale. Lower price for a short time. You see this sign in many stores. It means the item is cheaper than usual right now. A good time to buy. Example: this jacket is on sale. Normally $100, now $60. Many stores put on sale signs and stickers everywhere. Remember, for sale means you can buy it. On sale means you should buy it now. It's cheaper than usual. Now watch and complete the sentences with on or for. One. School supplies go on sale every July. 2. Her skateboard is for sale. $50 if you want it. 3. My brother's guitar is for sale. $200 cash. 4. Whole chickens on sale for $1.29 a pound was $1.89. 5. All red tag items are on sale today only. 6. This toaster is on sale. $25, originally $40. 7. Her wedding dress is for sale at the thrift store. 8. Our old stuff is for sale on eBay. 9. Last year's phones are on sale. 40% off original price. 10. Is your car still for sale? I saw your ad. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.